And like we've been telling you, there's breaking news that's coming in. India has decided not to forgive terrorists or terror backers. The latest action coming in from Jammu and Kashmir. We are getting you visuals from from the houses of Lashkar terrorist Asif Sheikh and terrorist Adil Thokar. Their homes have been blown up. Forces have also taken this action. Those are the latest pictures coming in. What do we know about this action? We will go across to our reporters on the ground who are getting us the latest update. Yavar is with us. Yavar, explain to us this action. How did security forces, go to the spot? Did they have any information about terrorists, part of the Pahalgam terror attack, hiding in some hideouts? What led to this kind of action?
Well, exactly. It was basically a suspicious box that was there. The wires were out and sounding the alertness. It looks like that it may harm the security forces. Eventually, it triggers off, and as a precautionary, the security forces they destroyed it, in which the house of the active militant was partially damaged. And same action has been witnessed in the Bijbehara as. These are the two places, remember. One is in the Tral, that's in the South Kashmir. One is in the Bijbehara, that's also in the South Kashmir. Now remember that both the names have been surfaced in the recent sketches that were, released by the J&K police. We have been given the understanding that the security officials, they are on the spot and assessing all the scenario. Fortunate part is that there has been no damage to the neighbors as well, and neither there is any damage to the security forces side. But yes, the India is loud and clear about the message that has been sent by the Prime Minister from the Bihar yesterday, that enough is enough. Now you have to pay for it. This is the action that has been initiated. But remember, besides this thing that has occurred in the Tral, that has occurred in the Bijbehara, there are the multiple operations that have been initiated across the Jammu and Kashmir. From Udhampur to the Anantnag to the Bandipora, all the anti-terror operations have been intensified. The LOCs are guarded. There has been the ceasefire violation that occurred at the various LOC, particularly in the northern region, where the Indian Army has effectively retaliated to it. So this was expected that this will come out, and forces were already prepared for this. That's what the defense sources are also saying. But yes, as of now, these things have been surfaced in, and this is the action that have been.
And this seems to be like a teaser to the action that is going to also follow. After the warning sounded by the Prime Minister, a stern warning to terrorists and to their backers and also to their masterminds, forces have decided that there will be no let-up in the action against terrorists or the network that gives them any kind of oxygen. Let me go across to Pradeep, who's joining us. Pradeep, what more do we know about Adil Hussain Thokar? Forces today have blown up the homes of Lashkar terrorists involved in the Pahalgam attack. This person, this terrorist, had infiltrated to Pakistan in the year 2018. What more do we know about him?
See, first time during the last 3 decades of terrorism in Kashmir Valley, we have seen that security forces have taken such action against terror hideouts and the terrorist residents. Because if we talk about Asif Sheikh and Adil Thokar, they are two people. One of Asif Sheikh is from Jaish-e-Mohammed, Adil Thokar is from Lashkar-e-Toiba. Both of them are said to have helped these Pakistan terrorists in carrying out that dastardly brutal attack in which 28 tourists were killed in Pahalgam area. So that's one of the reasons the security forces got information about their presence in that area. They moved towards that during the coordinated search operation. One operation was conducted in Mungama, other were conducted in Bijbehara area, both of them in South Kashmir. And finally you can see that both their houses were blown into smithereens. The message is loud and clear. Chun ke marenge, ghar mein ghus ke marenge. That was the message. And also, it has also sent the shiver down the spine of all those overground workers. Because when Amit Shah was in Kashmir Valley, he had already conveyed it ABCD template to all those commanders on the ground. 1, all-out war against terror. B is that you have to beat terror. And C is that there should be crackdown against the those ecosystem of terror and dismantle them properly. That's what actually, and demolish and decimate them. And C, already demolition and decimation has started. You remember that a few years back when Little Gogoi, he had tied one of the stone pelters and with the jeep because he wanted to take those boxes, EVM machines from that area. That time there was a hue and cry, and everybody had been criticizing why this action has been initiated. But now the government has shown the political will that if you are going to shatter
Yes.
families who had come over to this place to enjoy vacation, we are going to demolish your houses. That's the message. I think this message
Yes.
will also go down to Pakistan.
Pradeep,
also.
do stay with us because let's once again describe the pictures as they've come in and let's once play them full frame. If, the sound of action against terrorism, if we had to describe it with a sound, then once just listen to how the house of terrorists have been blown up. Let's play up the Nat sound. The homes of Lashkar and Jaish terrorists who were actively involved in the Pahalgam carnage and Pahalgam massacre, they have been blown up. The message is that terrorism will not be spared. Terrorists will not go unpunished. Mitti mein mila denge. We have only seen this is one aspect of Mitti mein mila denge.